Qui Qui.
Where were we last night?
I don't know. Check your pockets. Maybe there's something in there.
There's a hotel key from Vietnam.
Did we go to Nam?
Here we are in Vietnam. So freaking hot in Vietnam.
Oh, Qui Qui, Muhammed, what are you guys doing here in sunny Vietnam?
You think we were here before? Can you tell us what happened?
Last time I heard, you guys just got out of jail for attacking your old teacher. You guys were here with Bubba and fought the war, remember? Yeah.
I remember, Baba.
Died. No!
Bubba was my best good friend. He knew everything there was to know about math.
I know everything there is to know about the math business, Muhammed. You know, I always dreamt of being a math teacher. You can use quadratics, you can use cubic. Oh yeah, there's trigonometry, there's calculus, there's substitution, there's elimination, there's pineapple shrimp.
That last one doesn't sound like math.
Well, which one?
Elimination.
Elimination's math. Come on, Muhammad. I will show you. So you see, Muhammad, this is how you solve by elimination. So you'll start with two equations, and then you have to multiply each equation so that you can isolate for a variable. In this case, I isolated for the x, and so I subtract 12x from minus 12x, and 8y minus 15y, and 8 minus 36, like I did over here. So that gives me negative 7y equals negative 28, and y equals 4. So then you substitute the y equals 4 into any one of these equations, okay, Muhammad? So now I get 3x plus 2 times 4 equals 2, because I solved into the first equation. So then, that I substitute there for the math, isolate for the x, and I got x equals negative 2. And now, to finally write a final statement for this, I write a solution set saying SS equals negative 2, 4. Why do you have the trumpet and suitcase on your desk?
No one will ever know the answer to that question, sir.
Okay there, nerd. Okay, as I was saying, your teacher is out for 6 months because he has a cold. Cold. Anyway, I am Dr. Kumar Prithviraj Kutrapali Gupta Grakanakanakanakanakamalas. My friends call me Williams, but you can call me Dr. Kumar Prithviraj Kutrapali Gupta Grakanakanakanakanakalas. Okay, let me go get my lesson plan now.
Brolin, you are tardy again.
Okay, class, I am back. I brought you a question on graphing. I know that is what your teacher would want you to do. The question is to solve y equals x plus 4 and y equals 2 minus x. Okay? So first, what we need to do is calculate the slope of each line. Okay? So here we go. We start with line 1. This is line 1. Okay? So first we calculate what the m is. Because there is nothing here, it means the slope is 1 over 1. Okay? Now the b, which is this, that the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is 4. Okay? 4. So now we will plot that on the graph later. Let me erase this. Now we solve for the second equation. Y equals 2 minus x. Okay, so because this is in separate scenario, the m is still in front of the x. So this time it is negative 1. Okay, so the m equals negative 1. Yes, and the b will still be over here now. Okay, so b equals 2. The 2 is the y-intercept. Now we must graph. To graph, you draw your axes, you label your axes. Don't actually solve it. Y and x. You make your scale. Okay, now I am creating this impossible question. I will be back. Do not solve yet.
Man, why'd you take off your glasses?
I don't actually need glasses. I'm just using them to make me look smart.
Yo, do you ever get the feeling that you're in a kitchen?
Roland, you lack intelligence. That makes no sense at all.
I guess so. You know what? This work's too hard. I quit.
Hey, what are you doing here? What? No. You stay here. Hi, Gopal. You solved it.
Well, yeah. And see, based on the slopes and the y-intercepts, I managed to graph each line and put this dot. It's red.
I see. This is the point where they both meet.
Yes, sir.
It's doctor. I have a PhD. And now you write S equals -1, 3. Ah!
I conclude that this man is dead. It must have been quite the trip. You get it?
I see Moriarty has left me a clue here. I fill in the fields I know, leaving variables in the fields that I do not know. Next, I multiply the variable by the number in its column to get the final row. This is the information for the second equation. Now set up the equations so that they're ready for elimination so you can isolate for the variable. Now eliminate and solve for a variable. Plug into the original equation and solve for x.
Hey guys, check out who's just joined Remedial. It's me, Tracy Turnblad.
That's what.
So, what's this stuff on the board? That ain't groovy.
That's just substitution. I do this all the time in the ghetto. Oh wait, no, that's just stealing. I got this. What am I talking about? I don't know math.
Please. I know math. Okay, so first you name each equation 1 and 2. And the first thing you do is solve for 1. So x equals 6 minus 4y. Then you solve for number 2 by substituting what x was from number 1. So it would be 2, referring back to this equation, 6 minus 4y minus 3y equals 1. So that equals negative 11y equals negative 11. So then we find out that y equals 1. And now you sub this back inside the second equation again. So it was 2x minus 3. And since we found that y is equals to 1, 1 equals 1. So we find out that 2x equals 4, which is simplified to x equals 2. So now we know both the y and the x. So the solution set, SS, equals 2, 1. See guys, the math isn't that hard, you're just in remedial.
What? Yeah. That was shift.
Oh man, what happened? Oh, it was just a dream. So there were aliens at the Last Supper. And I'm late for class.